Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Then let's tap on About Phone, and right here we have to find the build number. We will see if this one will work. If not, we will have to find another one. So keep tapping on it until you will see that you're in the developer mode. Your device, as you can see, will ask you if you really want to do it. So let's tap on OK, and we've got the information that we are a developer. So let's go back to the system settings, and here the developer options will appear. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some advanced options which we can customize. So we can, for example, change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for taps, so you will have this circle in the place where you've touched the screen. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So quite a lot of options, and basically all you have to do to open it, to turn it on, is to tap on the switcher, so it works the same just like in the regular settings, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the animator duration scale, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, simply tap on this switcher here. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system, the developer options should disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.